Hey guys, AJ with Relentless Racing. Welcome back to the channel. I've had some requests to show how I wash a block, and so that's what I'm going to be going over today, and I'm hoping that you guys can learn something from this. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. So I'm going to start out with each side of the block, and what I do is I pretty much just use my little bit of Dawn on here, quick shot of some water, and I just kind of go through and I rub all the outside surfaces. This is pretty self-explanatory. Probably my favorite tool is this bottle brush, which I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. I use Dawn because it is a degreaser, if you will. It breaks up grease really quickly. Wow, what a great experience cleaning a block. I learned a lot of stuff by checking out where the coolant flows and also seeing where the lubrication goes through all the different oil galleys. In any case, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay relentless.